bosoms to. And that is, of course, United Kingdom. Igorot-Yoke, as was stated earlier on, during the welcoming address, it was an organization that was started due to the original performers or the original members that coined the word bebop in here. However, when days went by, and that was spearheaded by Linda Kinsay, and some of his friends. Who are their friends? They didn't die. Daisy. But there you are, Daisy. For 48 years, I've never seen Daisy, except today. I can even recognize her. Anyway, when Igorot-Yoke was formed, it is for the people, the Igorots of the Cordillera. And in the early 1950s, the Cordillera was, of course, mountain province before. That's why you were not yet born. I was only 5 years old or 3 years old when it says in there that the mountain province is divided into two divisions. One is Baguio Benguet, the other one is Biak. Biak is Benguet, Ifugao, Apayao, and Kalinga.